Hey guys, welcome to my video. So guys, I'm seeing one thing, that tipping culture is really getting out of hand in Canada. Sometimes like I had not seen that before. During pandemic it has increased, but something happened to me, and that's what I want to describe in this video. So last week I was at a restaurant. Okay, I was eating with my like some people. Generally what happens, like at the time of billing, a waiter or waitress comes with a bill inside a cover where you can open and check the amount or anything that is included, and then you can pay. If you are paying by card, they set up the payment machine with the amount, that is the bill, and they take it to the screen where you get an option tip yes no, and then it's some kind of confidentiality. They hand the machine over to you so that you can select the amount of tip what you want to, and because tip is optional, so you can you have the option to decline also if you're not satisfied with the service, because it's an optional, right? But something else happened here. What happened, I was paying the bill, so there was a waitress who came, and when I told her that I'm going to use my Visa card, she said okay. She had a payment machine, she put the amount, and then she took it to the screen where it shows a tip amount 18%, 15%, 10%, 5%, and something custom and no tip, and put it right in front of me in like in middle of the table. I don't think this was a good practice, that everyone around me sees that what tip I was giving her. Maybe probably she was frustrated because others might not have tipped her well, or probably her expectations based on earning was not meeting with the job. But now what I did, I'm not going to tell you, because as I said, tip is always confidential thing, and I'm not going to discuss how much I tipped or what I did. But I would like to hear the opinion of you guys, that what do you think about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.